wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in this channel I do DIYs. I would say Mackenzie Childs inspired pieces because I am Mackenzie Childs obsessed, and I'm okay with that. In this video, it's a little surprise. I am going to take you to the Mackenzie Childs warehouse sale. I know, my first time, and if you haven't gone, I'm taking you along because you know me, I like to take you along to these things just in case you don't live close and you don't get to go. I've taken you now to the Mackenzie Childs tent sale, the first and the second annual Artisan Craft Festival, and now the warehouse sale. I want to thank a few of my viewers who gave me the heads up. Laura, Joanne, Diane. Anyway, thank you guys for giving me the heads up, and oh my God, did I do a little bit of damage. So we're gonna get into that. But before that, I wanted to show you something real quickly. Now you guys know I'm a tea fanatic. So of course, I have to share this with you. Now, just so that you know, this is definitely not a sponsored video. I have nothing to do with David's Tea. I just thoroughly enjoy their tea, and I gotta share this with you. Oh, they send you some samples. I got, cream of Earl Grey, strawberry rhubarb parfait, strawberry rhubarb parfait, strawberry rhubarb parfait, strawberry rhubarb parfait, strawberry rhubarb parfait. Do you think I like this? I'm not sure. But I do. If you haven't tried this, oh my gosh, the tea, if you have a headache, and you make this tea, oh my gosh, it's like, whoop. Or maybe if you had one or two drinky poos the night before and you wake up with a little bit of a headache, strawberry rhubarb will take it away. I'm just saying, just putting it out there for you. And then I ordered this mug. Oh my gosh, they really wrap it up funny. What is this? Oh yeah. I was in need of another mug, but I did want one of these. It was a good size, and you know what? The color just melted my heart. I love, love, love this color. So, of course, I had to get that. And it was on sale. They were having a 20% off. So it's like that stainless steel inside. Oh, here's another strawberry rhubarb parfait. Now, just so that you know, I know that I said this is good for when you have a headache and you have 1-2 drinky poos. I know that I got a lot here, but I don't even drink. I'm lucky if I have like a drink or two a month. So I just enjoy the tea. I bought these to share with a couple of friends who are now drinking lots of tea, but it comes packaged like this, and this is the lid. I think this makes such a beautiful gift, especially with the holidays around the corner. If you're looking for somebody who is a tea drinker. And then you've got this. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. They have different ones, but my friends like blue. And then you put that in here, which fits perfectly. And then you pour your tea in there, and you can put the lid on it. And there you go. When you're ready to drink it, you can take it off and empty that and drink away, and your hangover is gone. I mean, your headache is gone. Anyway, let's get into the video for the Mackenzie Childs warehouse sale. And when I finish that, I'm going to do a little unboxing. Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, come on now, take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count.
$3,000.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
This item here, I have to be honest with you. It is beautiful. It is not a choice of mine. It's my husband. He's been wanting to get this for a long time. Now he loves purple, but it's got some really nice purple colors. It has the Mackenzie Childs label in the bottom, and it was regular, I think, 130 something, and we wound up paying $86. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe that'll make a nice desk ornament. I don't know, it kind of fills up the whole desk, but it is a beautiful piece. This next piece is also, my husband found it. This jug is so beautiful. Now I do have a few jugs, but I don't have this one. Great find there, Brian, and it was, I'm gonna put on my glasses. I don't wanna make a mistake. It is $128, and when it goes to the what used to be the barn sale, when they have a sale or a tent sale, whatever they want to call it, it goes down to $76. But at the warehouse, it was an extra 30% off. So I wound up paying like 50 something dollars. It is absolutely stunning. I love everything about it. Put it out by the pool with water, ice water for everybody, or when you're entertaining, it's wonderful. Or you can also use it as a vase. Ta-da! Don't mind the noise. We just got home and the kids are here and they get so excited to see Grandma. Oh, you're welcome. Hubby and I have always been very supportive of the veterans. And anything that we find that's poppy, we get it. So this is was $15, was $9. So at the end of the day, 30% off. And we just love this. And I've had a few. They're asking for chocolate. I wonder why. Maybe that's why they're so hyper. These, we've had a few of these before, but, you know, couldn't resist. Got another one. They only had one left. If I would have seen more, I probably would have picked up a couple more. I love these. So pretty. Love the colors. You know, red's my favorite color. A huge haul, but it was enough for me. And don't forget that I was just there a couple of weeks ago. Now I'm going to show you my other piece. So I got two of these. I've been wanting this for a long time. I love the butterflies on it. I've been wanting it for the longest time, but every time I go, you know, I'm like, oh my gosh, how much did I spend already? Because it's not only what I spent, it's also the exchange rate and, you know, any duties that I have to pay. So whatever I buy at Mackenzie Childs, you basically have to tack on, say, another 30-40%. So anyway, I've been eyeing this and I thought one day, baby, you're going to be mine. Guess what? That day's arrived and here she is. I got a pair of them, but I got to show you this lampshade. The lampshade is all in metal. And it has this beautiful scalp detail in the bottom. Oh my gosh, and it is so heavy. I'm gonna put it so you can see how it looks. That's the way it looks from out here. And I'll give you, oh my goodness, that's my office. And that's one of our living rooms. I have this pillow over here with butterflies, and there's the butterflies over there. I painted that. I have a video of that, and oh my goodness, I love it. Look how pretty this looks. Okay, guys, I'm going to need your help. I have this huge piece of furniture here in one of my living rooms, and I brought it in and I'm going to paint it. Hubby picked it up. I absolutely loved it. Now I just have to figure out how I'm going to do it. I don't know how yet. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. I welcome all suggestions, all ideas, all colors. The colors I have kind of going on is a lot of black and, of course, you know, Mackenzie Childs stuff. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. In the meantime, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. I love you, and thank you so much for spending some time with me.